Today, I'm going to share with you two very simple, light, and healthy dishes. Cabbage fried eggs, savory, soft, and incredibly satisfying. Steamed eggs with bitter melon, light, refreshing, and great for your health. First, thinly slice the cabbage and blanch it briefly in boiling water. Then, drain well. Next, crack the egg into a bowl. Add salt, pepper, a little flour, and chili powder. Then mix well. Sauté the garlic. You can add onion if you like. Then add it to the egg mixture and combine with the cabbage. Heat some oil in a pan. Scoop portions of the mixture into the pan, spread them out, and fry. Cook until one side is golden, then flip and fry until both sides are evenly golden and cooked through. Remove and serve. Cabbage is rich in fiber and supports digestion. Eggs provide protein to keep your body strong. This dish uses little oil, making it a healthy choice. It's a quick and easy dish, perfect for breakfast or a busy dinner. Two, steamed eggs with bitter melon ingredients. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a little warm water and whisk well. Wash the bitter melon, cut it in half, remove the seeds. Finally, sprinkle green onions and pepper on top for extra flavor. Bitter melon helps cool the body and supports detoxification. It's beneficial for overall health, especially in hot weather. Steamed eggs are soft and easy to eat, suitable for all ages. This light and refreshing dish is perfect when you want something healthy and gentle. Both dishes are simple to make, use basic ingredients, and bring great flavor and nutrition to your family meals. Give them a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Willow Handy for more delicious recipes.